Most people think WD-40 is just for squeaky doors. But what if I told you it could actually save you thousands in car repairs? That's right. This little blue can is one of the most underrated tools in your garage. When used correctly, it can prevent rust, free up expensive components, and even extend the life of vital car parts. But hey, before we dive into these insane WD-40 hacks for your car, do yourself a favor, smash that subscribe button and join the Car Care Xpert family. We drop weekly tips that'll keep your car running like new and your wallet nice and fat. All right, let's unlock the hidden powers of WD-40, starting with something that could save your entire suspension system. Number 1. Stop suspension creaks before they become costly. If you hear creaks or groans coming from your suspension, especially when turning or going over bumps, that could mean your bushings or control arms are drying out. Ignoring it can lead to cracked rubber, metal-on-metal friction, and ultimately, costly replacements. Spraying WD-40 on suspension bushings, ball joints, non-sealed types, or anti-roll bar links can temporarily lubricate them and prevent further wear. While it's not a permanent fix like proper grease or part replacement, it buys you time and keeps things moving smoothly. Just spray a bit near the joints and let it penetrate. But if you're battling rust under the hood, this next one is a game changer. Number 2, prevent engine bay corrosion and surface rust. Under the hood is one of the most forgotten and vulnerable places for corrosion. Moisture, road salt, and battery acid all take a toll. A light coat of WD-40 sprayed over exposed bolts, battery terminals, and brackets helps repel moisture and prevent surface rust from forming. Be cautious not to overdo it around sensors or belts. But on metal brackets, fuse box latches, radiator mounts, and especially areas that already show light rust, it's magic. It creates a moisture-repelling barrier that can extend the life of key engine components. And speaking of rust, this next tip could save your exhaust system from falling apart. Number 3, protect your exhaust system. From rusting out, exhausts are constantly exposed to heat, moisture, and road grime. Over time, rust builds up and eats through the pipes, leading to leaks and loud noises, and eventually an expensive muffler or catalytic converter replacement. Spray WD-40 on your exhaust joints, flanges, and hangers every few weeks. It acts as a water repellent and corrosion inhibitor. Especially in winter or rainy areas, this simple spray can add years to your exhaust's lifespan. Just make sure the system is cool before spraying. But what if WD-40 could actually make your windows roll smoother and quieter? Number 4, restore power window functionality. Are your power windows slow, jerky, or making grinding noises? That's often due to dirt and dried grease in the window channels. Use the straw applicator to lightly spray WD-40 into the rubber window tracks. Run the window up and down a few times, and boom, smoother operation and less stress on your window motor. This trick not only prevents the regulator from burning out, but also saves you from a $300 plus motor replacement. Just avoid spraying on the glass itself and clean up any drips with a microfiber cloth. And if you have an older car, this next tip is one the pros swear by. Number 5, free up stuck spark plugs. If you're doing a tune-up and can't loosen a stubborn spark plug, stop before you strip the threads. WD-40 is excellent for penetrating seized plugs, especially on high-mileage engines. Spray around the base, let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes, and then try again. It breaks down grime and corrosion, allowing safer removal without damaging the cylinder head. This one trick alone can save you hundreds in labor or even a ruined engine head. Just be sure to clean the area after removal. Coming up, ever had a key get stuck in the ignition? WD-40 can fix that too. Number 6, lubricate and free a stuck ignition key. If your key sticks or refuses to turn, don't force it. You could snap it off or ruin the ignition cylinder. Instead, use the straw nozzle and spray a small burst of WD-40 into the ignition keyhole. Insert and gently jiggle the key a few times to distribute the lubricant. It cleans out dirt and helps restore smooth operation. This simple fix can save you from needing a new ignition switch, which costs up to $500 or more to replace. But here's a weird one. Ever had rubber door seals freeze shut? Number 7. Prevent frozen or sticky weather stripping. WD-40 is great for treating rubber door and trunk seals. In cold climates, moisture can freeze the seals and trap you inside, or rip the rubber when you open the door. A light coat of WD-40 along the weather stripping prevents sticking, freezing, and drying out. It also helps doors shut more smoothly and prevents annoying wind whistles on highways. Just spray it onto a cloth and wipe the rubber down. Don't spray directly, as you don't want drips on the paint. And there you have it. Simple WD-40 tricks that can save you a fortune in car repairs. So, the next time you see a can of WD-40 sitting on the shelf, don't just think about squeaky hinges. Think about protecting your car and saving thousands in future repairs. Which trick was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you've got a WD-40 hack we didn't mention, drop it below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Xpert, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip that could save you money. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep your car in expert shape.